Java in DevOps. Leveraging Java for CI/CD pipelines in the fast-changing world of software development. Java is still popular. It's known for its robustness, platform independence, and scalability, with DevOps principles. Java is key in automating software delivery via CI and CD. CI/CD pipelines are key in modern software development. They streamline workflows, improve code quality, and speed up app delivery. Using Java to build CI/CD pipelines can greatly improve automation. Java in DevOps. An overview: DevOps seeks to connect software development, dev, and IT operations, ops. This will improve the software delivery lifecycle. Java is a mature, versatile language. It is vital in DevOps, where automation and integration are key. Building a CI pipeline with Java. The first step to using DevOps with Java is to set up a CI pipeline. CI automates merging code from multiple developers into a shared repository. Here's how Java fits into the CI process. Source code management. Java projects are usually on Git-based repos, like GitHub or GitLab. DevOps teams automate code merging with tools like Jenkins or CircleCI automated builds. Tools like Maven or Gradle are used to automate the build process. These tools compile Java code, fix dependencies, and package the app into deployable files. Java in continuous delivery, CD. Once the CI pipeline is in place, the next step is to set up continuous delivery. CD ensures that every change is automatically tested and ready for production. Java plays a key role in automating the deployment process. Artifact repository management. Tools like Nexus or Artifactory store Java artifacts, such as jars and wars. They ensure the right versions are used in dev, staging, and production. Automated deployments. Java apps can be deployed using containerization tools like Docker, or orchestrators like Kubernetes. This ensures consistency and scalability. Java and testing in DevOps pipelines. Unit testing. Java's Junit framework is widely used for unit tests. It ensures that individual components of the app work as expected. Integration testing. Java frameworks like Spring Test and Archelion enable integration testing. It ensures that different application modules work together. Automated acceptance testing. Tools like Selenium can be integrated with Java. This automates browser-based acceptance tests. It ensures the app meets user requirements. Java DevOps tools for CI/CD pipelines. Jenkins is a popular, open-source automation server. It works well with Java projects. It automates the building, testing, and deployment of Java applications. Maven, Gradle. These are essential build automation tools for Java projects. Maven is for managing dependencies and project structure. Gradle is faster and more flexible for building Java apps. Docker. Containerizing Java apps with Docker ensures they run the same everywhere. Java applications can be packaged into Docker containers and deployed easily. Conclusion. Java's strong ecosystem and DevOps efficiency are ideal for modern app development. They make it easy to build and deploy apps. Using Java in CI/CD pipelines automates code integration, testing, and deployment. This leads to faster releases, better code, and stronger teamwork between dev and ops.